Hello students, hope you all are keeping fine. Today we start our second chapter, Is Matter Around Us Pure? When we go to the market, we notice the word pure that written on the packs of many items. On a packet of milk, ghee, fruit juice, etc. For a common person, this means that there is no adulteration in these things. Adulteration means there is no foreign particles in these things and therefore these are pure. Okay? These are the packets of some food items. Pure milk, pure ghee. Okay? For a common man said that these items are pure. Okay? For a common man, he says that these items are pure. But in the case of a scientist, these are not a pure substance. Okay? The sense of common man, he says that these are the pure substances. Milk is pure, ghee is pure. But according to scientists, these substances are not pure. According to scientists, a pure substance means that it is a single substance. According to scientists, a pure substance means that it is a single substance. For example, a normal human says that milk is a pure substance. Okay? And common people says that milk is a pure substance. But in the case of a scientist, he says that milk is not a pure substance. Okay? But according to scientists, this milk is not a pure substance. The reason is milk contains water, fats, proteins, etc. Okay? The reason is milk contains water, fat, proteins, etc. More than one substance or more than one particle is present in milk. So scientifically, we can say that milk is not a pure substance. We sometimes say that air of this place is pure. What do you mean that? That air contains does not have any pollution. Okay? If air does not have any pollution, then we can say that air is pure. But according to scientists, air is not pure at all. Okay? In common man said that if an air have no pollution, that air is pure. But according to scientists, the air is not pure at all. The reason is air contains several gases. The reason is air contains several gases and water vapors. Air contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. So many gases are in. So many gases are in the air. And water vapor is present in air. So scientifically we can say that air is not a pure substance. Okay? Scientifically we can say that air is not a pure substance. The reason is air contains several gases and water vapors. Then what do you mean by a pure substance? According to scientists, a pure substance consists of a single type of particles. For example, water. Only one particle is present here. Only one type of particle is present in water. Okay? Or salt is an example of a pure substance. According to scientists, a pure substance consists of a single type of particles. As we look around, we can see that most of matter around us exists as mixtures. What do you mean by mixtures? Mixtures means a substance which contains two or more pure substances. For example, soil. This soil contains small stones, dust particles, etc. like that. Or air. Air contains so many gases, water vapors, etc. A substance which contains two or more pure substances are called mixtures. Another example is sugar solution. Sugar is a pure substance, water is a pure substance. Then these are mixed together to form sugar solution. But this sugar solution is a mixture, is not a pure substance. Okay? This sugar solution is a mixture. It is not a pure substance. Then pure substance means a single type of particles contains in it. Mixtures means two or more pure substances or components are present in that substance. For example, seawater, air, soil, etc. Seawater which contains water and salt. Different types of salt are there. Then the matter can be classified into two types. Okay, there are two types of matter. First one is pure substances and the second one is mixtures. Okay, this matter can be classified into two. The first one is pure substances and the second one is mixtures. All of you clear? Matters are of two types, pure substances and mixtures. Then what do you mean by a pure substance? They contain only one type of component. Pure substance means it contains only one type of components. They cannot be separated into other substances. Okay, pure substance means they contain only one type of component. Okay. For example, water, salt, diamond, gold and oxygen are the examples of pure substances. Okay. What are the examples of pure substances? Water, salt, diamond, gold and oxygen are the examples of pure substances. These all things contain only one type of component. Okay. Then the next type is mixture. Mixture means it is a combination of two or more pure substances. Mixture means it is a combination of two or more pure substances in which each pure substance retains its individual chemical properties. Okay, mixture means a combination of two or more pure substances in which each pure substance retains its individual chemical properties. For example, salt solution. Salt is a pure substance and water is also a pure substance. In salt solution, the water and salt mixed together. Okay, this water and salt mixed together to form salt solution. This salt solution is not a pure substance. It is a mixture. Then we are able to separate these two. Okay, we are able to separate salt from this solution. How can it possible? How is it possible? When we boiling this solution, the water evaporates and the salt is left in that vessel. Okay. Once more, if you boiling that solution, salt solution, the water in the solution evaporates. At last, the salt is left in that vessel. For this method, we can separate salt and water from salt solution. Okay. So, mixture means it is a combination of two or more pure substances in which each pure substance that retains its individual chemical properties. Okay? Okay, students, all of you study well. Today, I wind up my class. We will meet you on next class. Bye.